Hi, third graders. We are back with another morning work. So this is one of the editing morning works. I hope you guys can see my paper. And I hope everyone had a good weekend. We still really miss you guys. All right, so let's get right to it. We have morning work number 1. So first thing we want to do is make sure we go ahead and flip down to the bottom where we have our question. It says, what materials did Maggie need to make the kite? All right. Finally, I had all the money I needed. I went to the craft shop on Saturday. I bought paper, wood, glue, and kite string. When I got home, I thought about the right way to make the kite. I drew a plan for the kite, and then I went to work. All right, so I'm going to start by numbering my lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you guys see my blanket that I'm wearing? I'm a little chilly in my house. All right, so let's start with number 1. Finally, I had all the money I needed. Let's see, I have the word I right here, and I know that's going to need to be capitalized, so I'm going to go ahead and mark that up. I think I'm actually going to switch pens so you can see a little better. Okay, then I'm going to go over to my chart here, and I'm going to give a tally mark for capitalization. So finally, I had all the money I needed. Okay, looks good. Moving on to line 2. I went to the craft shop on Saturday. I bought. So I see Saturday, which is the name of a day. So I'm going to go ahead and capitalize that. Give myself a tally mark over here. I bought paper wood, glue, and kite string when I got. So have you guys ever heard of paper wood? Or does the author mean I bought paper, comma, wood? I think it's probably paper, comma, wood. So I'm going to put in a comma right there and give myself a tally mark over here. So I bought paper, wood, glue, and I'm actually going to add another comma here because we're listing. I bought paper, comma, wood, comma, glue, another comma, and kite string. Okay, so line number 3 looks all set. Moving on to line 4. When I got home, I thought about the right way to make. So I see the letter I needs to be capitalized. So I should have 3 capitals. So we're looking for 1 more. Whoops, sorry about that. I had to take a break because I realized I made a mistake. I hope you can forgive me. So when I left off, I was checking off over here what I had left, okay? So I had 3 capitals, and then I had forgotten to check off over here. We had 2 commas. So this over here is actually all set. So we are looking for 1 more capital and that last spelling word. I hope that I didn't make that too confusing. All right, so over here we have line 5 where it says the kite. I drew a plan for the kite and then. So that line is all set. And then moving on to that last line here, I have I went to work. So I see work is misspelled. So that's going to be my last spelling error. And then I also have I once again that needs to be capitalized. So I'm going to mark that up. And then I should have 4 capitals. So we should be all set. So now looking at this last row right here is verbs. So verbs are action words like jumping, dancing, singing, skipping. Okay, so we need to find at least 3 verbs. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to circle some verbs that I see. I'm going to grab a different color though. Do it in red. So had could be a verb. Went, bought, got, thought, make, drew, and went would be another one. All right, so we are all set with our verbs. And then lastly, it says, what materials did Maggie need to make the kite? Our options are paper, wood, glue, or D, all of the above. So I'm gonna go back into my paragraph, and I see in lines 2 and 3, Maggie is talking about how I bought paper, wood, glue, and kite string. Okay, so paper, yep, wood, and glue. So yep, D, all the above. And I'm gonna go ahead and underline my evidence right here. Okay, all right, everybody, nice job. See you around.